Discover the future of signal measurement and generation with the Ancon 1014D 2-in-1 oscilloscope and signal generator. Crafted to overcome challenges in maintenance and research and development industries, this cutting-edge tool combines comprehensive functions with exceptional practicality. Outstanding performance. The dual-channel oscilloscope boasts a real-time sampling rate of 1 GSA/s and an analog bandwidth of 100 MHz, ensuring precise capture of complex signals even in demanding environments. Powerful signal generator, integrating a DDS function signal generator that offers industry-original output at 2.5 VPP. With 14 standard function signal types and customizable options, you can explore and tailor your experience to your needs. Versatile triggering. Whether it's periodic analog signals or aperiodic digital signals, the Ancon 1014D oscilloscope provides comprehensive triggering options, single/normal/auto, for precise and detailed analysis. Smart design. Experience convenience with the large time-based shift mode, perfect for monitoring subtle signal changes. The efficient automatic button allows you to view waveforms without complicated adjustments. Accurate measurement. Say goodbye to guesswork with the cursor measurement function. Instantly obtain amplitude and frequency parameters without the need for additional conversions or calculations. Simple capture and storage. Store up to 1,000 screenshots and 1,000 waveform data groups in the built-in 1 GB storage space. A straightforward and rapid process with just a single click. Advanced analysis. Effortlessly navigate and explore waveforms with the Waveform Image Manager. Conduct secondary analysis with features like page changing, deletion, zooming, and more. Limitless connectivity. The integrated USB interface enables connection to computers for data and screenshot sharing, opening doors to collaborative analysis and deeper understanding. In-depth analysis. Use the FFT visualization function to estimate harmonic components in your signals, while ESIU's graphical visualization compares and judges amplitude, frequency, and phase of multiple signals. Get ready to revolutionize your approach to signal measurement and generation with the Ancon 1014D. Don't miss the chance to enhance your analytical capabilities and make informed decisions with this all-in-one device. Get yours today and experience a new level of precision and versatility.